gotta, hey. We are playing authentic Resident Evil Zero from the beginning. We ain't rookies to this. We veterans. We are veterans. We playing this stiffness. We gonna run. We're not about to be on this for, a week. We should be able to beat this in like 3 days. Like, this is not a hard game.
Be able to beat this in like 3 days. Like, this is not a hard game.
Wow.
Damn.
That's gonna be my last time entering that room. Goodness gracious, that makes me so upset.
Two tapped your ass.
Come on, fight! Billy.
Make it.
There's
Nitch in the butt. You might as well bring a herb with you in this motherfucker.
National Enterprise Umbrella was somehow involved. Little is known as to the origin of this faceless corporation. When was it established? By whom? And how was the T-Virus created? To uncover the truth, we must delve deeper into the events which transpired in the beginning. Before
I'm
the
going to be
Manhattan
honest.
incident.
I attempted to play the game on hard. It got the best of me.
Do you think so too?
So we are going to play on normal. I did my best. I'm sorry. I am a new mother. I haven't played video games in a very long time. I'm diving right back into it. So, Resident Evil Zero, yes, you got the best of me. I have to play you on normal. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the rest of y'all, it's hard. It's professional. I just got to get back into the swing of things. All right. That is my disclosure.
Billy Cohen.
Billy,
Lieutenant 26.
with the arms out.
Court-martialed and sentenced
26.
July 22nd. Prisoners to be transferred to the Regathon
July
for
22nd.
execution.
Now he just missed cancer. What is that? That's a Leo.
And that scum murdered them and escaped.
All right, everyone, let's separate and search.
His lips were still moving.
Our friend is brutal and ruthless. Keep your guard up.
Can you hear me swallow? Now, I will fight somebody because when it comes to mugs, there's two women who stand out for me. And it's not Jill and it's not Claire.
A train.
It's Rebecca and Shava. You're not gonna sit here and tell me Shava was not a queen. Rebecca, a baddie. Those were the ones who stood out to me as my favorite Resident Evil girls. Jill is cool. Jill is cool. Jill is cool. Jill is cool. Claire is cool. They all cool. They all cute. But Rebecca's the original baddie. Originally playing with the original. Oh my goodness, you guys! I was playing with the. Oh my god! And I don't even have to hold something down to run. Let's switch our outfit. The STARS prototype is not bad. It's cute. I'm gonna go with leather. We're gonna have a fun playthrough.
What do you mean by that?
All right, let's go. Oh my god, that feels so much better. Oh my god. I'm gonna try not to have my mouth open. All right. I had to start all the way over, so I am gonna try to get back to the spot that I was very fast.
This is Officer Chambers from STARS Bravo team. Please identify.
Gonna keep all the
yourself.
scenes.
Is someone
Okay.
there?
Look, she got the gloss on and everything. She is so cute. The small little waist. He trying to touch her. He trying to touch that. No. Ooh. I gotta get out of here. I'm not going to read through every document. I'm going to try my best to remember to read, but oh, I'm just doing my best. Yes, bring me back with the ink ribbons, with the ink ribbons, with the ink ribbons. Yes, with the ink ribbons. Save your games. Investigation order, stained with blood. 8 miles north of Raccoon City. First investigation unit. William Birkin, the rest is torn out. It's just William Burke doing Birkin. William Birkin. That's Sherry's dad. Doing dirt with Wesker. They were doing dirty things together. Yeah. Give me this. I need that. I need it. Give it to me. Yes. I need the train key. Enter Billy's phone. Aw. Now you see me in my outfits.
Billy. Lieutenant Cohen.
I'm not gonna lie, he ain't got no
Seem to know
lips.
me. Been fantasizing about me, have you?
You're the prisoner that was being transferred for execution. You were with those soldiers outside.
Look at her eyes. She's so pretty.
I see. You're with
You
Stars.
with stars.
Well, no offense, honey, but your kind doesn't seem to want me around.
I like the way he
so
said that.
I'm afraid our little chat time is over.
With the jeans.
Wait! You're under
With the
arrest.
Levi jeans.
No
With the
thanks.
jeans.
I've already worn handcuffs.
I could shoot, you know. Edward! Are you alright? What happened?
Bit up.
Worse than... We can't. You must be careful, Rebecca.
Don't tell me what to do.
The forest is full of zombies and monsters.
Zombies and monsters.
I'm telling you, Jill has nothing on Rebecca. Those eyes, the gloss, the subtle makeup. Yes! Oh. God, I suck. Oh, they faster. They're faster on normal. Get off of me. Oh, goodness. This train key. It's the door scenes for me.
This is Rebecca. Over.
Rebecca, can you hear me? This is Rico. What's your location? Over.
Enrico! Hello! Can you read me? Please respond.
Rebecca, I can hear you. Now listen up. We've obtained detailed information on the fugitive from a document found in the wrecked wagon. Billy Cohen killed as many as 23 people.
Bodies.
23 people.
And her earrings are cute
He was
too.
institutionalized, so keep your guard up. Can you hear me, Rebecca? Over. Stay alert, Rebecca. You wouldn't think twice before killing you.
Enrico! Captain! Hello? Hello!
Throw it away. Why would I keep that? Why would they give me the option to keep stuff that I don't need no more? That's weird to me.
It's gonna
Hello.
be dangerous from here on in. Why don't we cooperate?
Cooperate with you?
Listen, little girl, if you haven't noticed, there's some pretty freaked out things on this train. And I, for one, want to get out of here. I don't think we stand a chance doing it alone.
You expect me to trust you, a wanted felon? I don't need your help. I can handle this on my own. And don't call me little girl.
All right, Miss Do-It-Yourself. What should I call you?
The name is Rebecca Chambers, but that's Officer Chambers to you.
Well, they got matching tattoos.
Why don't you
Yes.
go and try while I wait here?
I got a secret crush on you, Billy.
Got a secret crush on you, Billy.
Notice to the supervisors. Vacate the cars. Umbrella Corp. That nothing of importance. We don't need that. I'm heading upstairs. I'm not reading every document. It's Resident Evil. Like, I can't read every document. That'd be crazy. Now, is that Spencer? Marcus. I think we're learning about Marcus.
Sir.
Two old guys, Spencer and Marcus. Right? I don't know. I get the history of Resident Evil confused. I'm kind of close to him. I'm going. I'm going. I'm not fighting him. Don't touch me. I don't know if that was needed, but Leon was not the first to do it. He wasn't. It was Billy. Before there was Leon, it was Billy walk so Leon can run. It wasn't Leon. I don't care. It was Billy first. He had the quips. He had the swag. He had the Levi jeans on. Now, did Leon do it better? Yes, Leon did it much better. Throughout this playthrough, I will tell you the best characters. Leon is number 2
Who is
when it comes to male characters.
What's going on? Who's controlling the train?
Go and check out
My husband's walking
engine
in.
car.
Am I too loud?
Listen, we gotta cooperate with
We can do it. It's not. Look, I'm already halfway through. I'm already halfway through the train.
you in, girl. Or maybe you like being worm bait.
I changed the controls too
Right. But
to
you
modern controls, so we can switch back and forth now without you being.
Fine. Now take these with you.
Put in leather too.
If you find
We're
give me a call.
gonna have a fun playthrough. Fun fun playthrough. Are you gonna come? Are you joining me or she?
Seriously.
He was putting no. Before there's 5, there was 0. I'm just letting everybody know the history. My better half. He's through thick and thin. All right, let's go. We're still testing things out.
I'll skip that part. They don't gotta see us.
So, I think one of the biggest things for me is that when people think of Resident Evil, they think of Leon, and I don't like that.
Yeah, he's the poster child.
He is the
He's
post.
probably in more games than Chris now.
That's not true. He is not.
How many games is Chris in?
It's equal now.
Chris
Because
is
Chris,
in 1.
Veronica,
Veronica.
He's in-
Revelations 1, kinda.
he's in 5.
5.
He's in
He's
6.
6.
And he was in
Village.
in 7. At the end of 7, you do see Chris.
Oh, yeah, I don't remember.
Even though he looked like he got a facelift. Even Chris and Jill, is there a key up here? Do I need to give someone something? They keep giving them facelifts.
Plastic surgery?
Yeah, they look different. They look different. Jill originally had brown hair, everybody. And then on 5, they gave her a nose job. They gave her blonde hair. And I was not mad at it. I was like, okay, Jill, dude. I guess when Wesker got her, he was like, we gonna need to do something with this look. But Chris had a glow up. He gained 200 pounds of muscle. He cut his hair a little bit shorter. I don't remember Chris having blue eyes, but I feel like did he have blue eyes on Bio? But I had to look at Biohazard again. He looked completely different at the end of Biohazard.
What is it?
The Scorpion. Now, some of these monsters are placed in. I'm confused. Where did Scorpion come from?
Great.
Let's see. Maybe I'm being overzealous. Did that work right?
I don't know.
Now, Elden Ring, the lobsters. That's what that kind of put me in the mind of.
Yeah, those are some sons of bitches. Fuck with them.
Actually, I am going to get the shotgun because I don't want this to hit me. Child is currently taking a nap after eating a nice full lunch. Okay. Excuse anybody who see this and say like, you should be the one to talk.
Why would they say that?
Get me. It's only 2 bullets at a time. I don't know how to load. I figured I'll be there. I gotta move this one. Still fine.
Where are you? Guess I was gonna reset when we do that.
When I go back? No way. I don't know. But no way. That would be crazy. He mysteriously disappears.
Okay.
What?
Where'd he go?
He gone.
I mean, if you would have just done that without shooting him, could you have saved your bullets? With the door.
Get ready for the dogs.
Goodness.
Backflip off me.
They just play it.
Ah! He don't usually pop out right there.
He didn't do that last time.
No, he did not do that last time. That scared me. Oh my god. Oh my god. He pops out usually when I go out that door. These bottles. Almost missed that. Dwayne, that scared me. Why did he do that this time? Why did he, you guys, that's so crazy. Why did he just do that? Ugh. My heart just jumped out. That's not what he was supposed to do. He didn't do that last time. That scared me. I can't even think right now. Is there another one? Dwayne, that scared me.
That's all.
Did that not scare you?
Nah. I'm not surprised.
Come on. I go fast, man. If he don't...
You have to wait for him?
Yeah, I think I do.
Same.
He trying to shoot
Trying to clear this
everybody.
motherfucker out.
Yeah, 100% it. Where am I going?
That's what I'm laughing at. What?
But what's in that jewelry box is for the briefcase.
Yeah, you need it. You just put it in your pocket.
Give me the card.
I thought you could tear into that briefcase too.
You could take this one.
You got a ice pick, got a knife.
What's in here? Oh,
Rebecca.
hey.
Let's regroup.
Okay.
I'm like, I don't know what the roof is. Not with this creaky door. Why even ask me that? Now this is
Delta team, this is Delta
Hulk's
team.
crew.
You've gained control of the train. Over.
Delta team. I
Understood.
wonder if it's
Any sense?
what's the ranking? Is it
And
it's
why
Alpha,
contaminate
Alpha,
with a
Brava,
mansion, as well as a train
and
almost
then
3
Delta?
miles away?
That's irrelevant. We must make
They're
sure
like, this is the
no
Bravo
knowledge gets
team.
out.
Okay, well,
Destroy the train.
are you below Alpha? I don't know. I'm sure because Alpha is A,
About 10
Bravo.
minutes
But between Bravo and Delta, what's the C? Curious. I need to look it up. Not by the leeches. Yeah. Their butt. Like not dying from the leeches.
The train will either derail or crash. I gotta stop this thing.
I don't need no manual. I'm leaving Bex behind.
I'll go over to the back deck and manipulate the control panel for the brake. Then you apply the brake from here, okay?
All right. Billy,
What?
be careful.
If you take Rebecca, she will see Edward and have a moment. But I don't have time for her getting bit and being all out of health. Oh my god. I'm just trying to get the key. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm good. I think also you can use the hook shot to travel on top of the car and go down where you need to be. Look, I ain't playing with nobody. We gotta go. We gotta get out of here. Not a true headshot, but I'll take it. Gotta learn how to load. I gotta go. Not Edward. Well, he got his 15. He got me. I'm butt cheeks for that. But yeah, with Rebecca, it would have been like a whole little moment. But okay, let's do it. I remember one time I came here without the card. That's how they get you. So I'm gonna hit 1, 2, doing it wrong. I'm doing it wrong, everybody. Okay. Oh, I'm still doing this wrong. I don't know my timetables. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hold on.
This is Billy. I've engaged the control device for the brake. Over.
Roger, I'll put the brake on now.
I think that's gonna be there when I'm just scared that it won't. Girl, we ain't got time. Come on. 36. Okay. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32. Oh, I messed up. I messed up. I messed up. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Oh, I'm messing up. I don't want 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 36. I don't know how to count. I don't know how to count. I don't know how to do it. Apparently I can only count in fives. No, that is crazy. That's insane. As long as I get it done. As long as I get it done. I have to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. I have to go back to Schoolhouse Rock. Yes. On VHS. I don't know my timetables.
Rebecca.
Oh my goodness.
Here.
She hurt.
Are you all right? Hey, we managed to stop
Still
the
look
train.
pretty.
Yes, we managed.
We have to find a way out.